Hi, Dada.
Can you hear me now?
Konti. Narinig mo ako?
Yes, loud and clear. How about me? Can you hear me now?
Konti. Okay lang.
Konti lang?
Okay lang. Hala. Guys, tinititigan ako ni Mr. B. Japan na tayo, guys.
Just a chance. Oh, just the chance. To win your heart. Hi, Mama.
Hi, Dada. Uy, magligpit ka na, Chris. Katie is here. Ito, guys. Dada leaves tomorrow 8 a.m. Ano ba bukas? Ano date book? Ano ba ngayon? 4?
4. About to be 5.
5. So,
Show
pagdating mo dun, pahinga ka
clothes.
pa naman, di ba?
One day. And then I fly to Lloydminster.
OMG, may flight ulit. Kawawa naman si Mr. B.
Ayun na nga. So, pagdating ko dito, jet lag ako. So, kakasanay ko lang, tapos lang yung jet lag, lilipad na naman. Tapos pagdating doon, jet lag ulit. Tapos lilipad na naman, ibang time zone. But it's all good. You know
Ano ka
why?
na lang, mag-chamomile tea ka na lang.
No, it's all good. Because coming home was all worth it.
It's pressure to have a BF with Sir Chris because you have to think about an outfit because he's always wearing OOTD. Ay, hindi ako namomroblema, guys. Siya ang namomroblema.
Facts.
Kasi lagi ako nakapambahay.
Ako, maarte ako. I like to dress up some Virgo shit, you know?
Na.
It's Virgo shit.
Siya namomroblema, kagaya ng Hong Kong, wala akong damit. Dala ko ilang piraso lang.
Tapos?
Namili siya ng damit kasi wala akong damit. Ni wala akong hikaw.
But then, just cologne. Crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do.
Diba guys, naloka siya sa akin sa Hong Kong, wala akong hikaw. Yung damit ko, ilang piraso lang. Sakto lang.
All for you.
Binili pa niya ako. Accessories.
Okay, I think I'm gonna be done soon. Alam mo yung kailangan ko mag-impake?
Oh.
Pambahay.
Ha?
Pambahay. Clothes pambahay.
Oh.
Most of the clothes that I've packed is like OOTDs. I need pambahay. I need some regular shit.
Guys, magbababay na ako.
Anto ka na?
Ang sakit na ng kamay ko eh.
Sige. I'll call you in a bit. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, Mr. B.
See you in a bit.
Bye-bye.